sure everybody, you all have your notes. Do you remember last time I teach you guys using the song? You have? Show me. The song one. The one with the song. So previously, last time I teach you this question is under they ask how many match sticks. Do you guys have these notes? Are needed to build the 9th figure. And then you guys know that, okay, this is the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the third. You all have these notes? Where? Let me see first. Okay, you right behind. You right behind. Same thing, you right behind. Yours?
I have, but I'm not sure.
Let me see whether it's the same. You need to get the answer here. You right behind. You write using calculator sheet. Yours is perfect. So like this, your note should be like what Jadine have. Over here, those who do not know, borrow from Jadine to make notes. Then behind is blank. Right now, it's the same as in front, just that now we use the calculator trick. Okay, so remember guys, every time whenever we do something, we always need to write the skeleton form. That this is the figure and this is the answer. Do you all remember that? So what is the figure? Figure what? 1, what is the answer? 3. So what does the answer refers to? For this case, the answer refers to the matchsticks. So figure 2, what is the matchsticks? 5. Figure 3, 7. Then we also learned that how do you go from 3 to 5? Plus 2. How do you go from 5 to 7? Plus 2. So wherever you see plus 2, you all know that you need to do the song, right now, guys? So right now, I'm going to teach you guys is the calculator trick. Are you ready? Oh, so not excited, man.
Yes!
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so the calculator trick, everybody go to your calculator right now. Okay, press menu. Press 3. Press 2. Okay, wait, before you press 2, when you press 3, tell me, what does your 2 says? Must make sure we are all aligned. What does your 2 says? Y is equal to A plus BX. You all have that? Does your 2 says that? Remember, I told you some students will not appear like that, right? So you need to be careful. So, can you see what's below 2? Below 2 is 3, which is this one, right?
Y equals A plus BX.
So how to remember? Can you see that this is your first layer constant difference, correct now, guys? So we only have 2 terms. But you have one more layer. We take this one, number 3. You all remember that? You all remember your notes, the calculator trick, the difference? So for this case, do we use this one? This one is only for the second layer constant difference. But now this is only the first layer constant difference, right? You see? Only first layer you already have constant difference, so we use 2. So far, so good? Clear so far? Then once you have 2, can you see you have X and Y? Does you have the X and Y table? So this is number 1. So number 2, your X and Y will appear. So what does the X means? X means refers to your figure number. Y is your matchsticks, which is your answer, which is what I've already trained you guys to write it in the skeleton form. Right now, guys. So now literally put it in a calculator, which you guys know how to put already. Put this whole thing into your calculator right now. Have you all done that? So when you press the number, press equal to bring you down. Then after that, you know you can press the arrow, right? Left, right, up, down. Once you're done, show it to me. Do not press anything else. Show it to me. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So right now, remember I told you guys do not press the on button. After this, press the AC. So everybody press AC. So it brings you, it kind of like clear your screen right now, guys. After that, you press your OPTN, right? So after this, you go to here, this step 4. When you press OPTN, now does your calculator says the same thing? Does it say regression? Number what?
3.
Everybody number 3? Who is number 2? Is number 2, yours appears number 2 or 4? It doesn't matter. Just remember it's always regression. Regression, which is number 3, right? Press number 3. Done? Okay. So once you get all this, what does your screen says? So this is your screen. I write down. Your screen says that y is equal to a plus bx, whereby your a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, r is equal to 1. Now, r is equal to 1, don't care. Understand? So we just care about the a and the b. So a means what? It means that just put this a answer inside here. And what does the b means? B means this b put inside here. So that means that it will give me, what will it give me? Y is equal to?
Equals to 1 plus 2x.
Yes, this is your formula. So your teacher say how you do it, you just write down in your working. So this is your paper. Now let's go back to your paper, right? So how to show your teacher? These are all your back end, correct or not? All the behind the scenes. So you just show your teacher formula. Okay, y is equal to 1 plus 2x. How come you know you're so magical? You're just so smart like that. Understand? And what's the y referring to?
What is the match?
Yes, y is the matchsticks. This is your matchsticks, which is always your answer. Remember? Your answer here. Answer is your y. Remember? Y. Can you see that? Then figure number is your x. Even your calculator will tell you that this is your figure number. Right now, guys. So right now, let's read back the question. What do they want to find? When they say how many matchsticks, means they want to find your x or your y. Find your y. And they tell me ninth figure means this is your x or y. X is how much? 9. So I'll just sub x equal to 9 inside. And what do I have? So y is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket 9. What does bracket means? Times, right? What's 2 times 9? Which is equal to? Can, later. Copy all this down first. Then I'll teach you all the next one. Amazing, right? Okay, you all copy all this. Then I'll teach you. If your teacher asks you the reverse, how we going to do it? It's even easier than the song method. So now we're going to go to the next question. This is working backwards question, right? So can you see when they say which figure means are they asking for the x or the y? Okay, so they want to find x is how much? And they tell you that there are 39 matchsticks. So this is the x or the y. So they tell you is y is 39, right? So do I have the formula already, guys? Yes or no? So we write to the teacher that we know that the formula, what's the formula? Y is equal to 1 plus 2x. And I know that the y is how much, guys?
The y is
39. Can you also see? It looks small. 39. So this, I change it to 39, right? And x is what I want to find, correct or not, guys? So now it becomes algebra already. Y is equal to 39. So 39 is equal to 1 plus 2x. So of course, the unknown, I don't write here. I like to write the unknown here. Can you see that? So who to get rid of first?
the 1.
Very good. If I bring the 1 over, so it becomes plus or minus. So here is a hidden plus. Remember I teach you before. So I bring over, it becomes a minus. So I know that 2x is equal to 39 minus 1, which is equal to 2x is equal to 38. And how to find x? Yes, which is equal to 19. Ta-da! Boom. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So that's how you use the calculator trick.